welcome back to this channel. My name is Sai Siddharth. In this channel, I will be doing drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and much more. Today we will be drawing Kristoff from Frozen 2. Okay, so let's start. So for this tutorial, we will need a pen, a pencil, a eraser. Okay, so let's start. So first tutorial, I have my paper in portrait mode. Okay, so let's start. Right, so let's just draw a vertical line like this. Just zoom in. So yeah, I'm drawing a vertical line like this. Okay, curved at the top, so that's like for his forehead. So just a second. So this is the second tutorial that I have done on Frozen. So the first one was Olaf, the most easiest. So please write that to see that one and more. Right, so we have that. Let's just estimate that the face is going to be that rectangle, right? So in my before tutorials, I'll be doing the entire anatomy and then going to the details. For this one, let's just go into the details at the beginning. Okay, so I'll make things easier when we are going into the other parts, like the head, the hair. Right, let's start. So the eye line, I'm going to be estimating it somewhere there. Okay, so right where the eye line is, there's sort of like a dip. It goes inside and then it comes out. Okay, so like that. Okay, and then it just goes out and it just keeps going in. Imagine it like that. Right, now let's draw a center line. As you can see, my center line is sort of slanted a bit, not too much, just a bit. Okay, so alright, so a jaw. We are just estimating it right now. We are not going to be looking at it like for the exact shape and sizes. We're just going to be randomly placing it and then doing the things. Right, so we have that till now. That's good. Right, so just imagine the ears somewhat going like that. You know what? Let me just bring that even higher. Alright, so that's that for my face. So I'll just be drawing a neck right there. So that's good. Now let's go on and let's draw the facial features, the nose, the eyes. Right, so I'll be starting off with the eyes. No, it'll be better if we draw the nose. So for that, alright. So the characters that have come in Frozen are like have a nose that's sort of like a claw, somewhat like that. Okay, so let me just erase it. And by the way, if you ever wonder about the tools that I use, I have their names in the description. So do check that out. So anyways, let's start. One line like that. Let's zoom in. Yeah. So one line like that. Okay. Somewhat like a circle. Not like a circle, but you understand, right? Okay. This time it's bigger because of the perspective that we are seeing it from. Okay, so right here you see like a ridge for the nose. Right, so and then this one just goes up and like that. So let's just start by modifying that a bit. Okay, so that's pretty good. I know it looks really weird right now. Alright, so let's draw the mouth right now. Okay, so right here, pretty below. So just like that. After that, like that and that. So for the mouth, he's sort of like smiling, the picture that I'm using. So let's give him a gentle smile. Okay, so just erase that part and then just make it go up like that, sort of like that. Okay, so this part, so as I told, this is the center line. So this part goes much longer than this one. So that again, that's how it is from the perspective. Alright, now for the for the middle part of the lip and mouth, sort of like that. And for the lower part, I just don't connect it, just draw something like that. Alright, and then right here, one line like that. So you can see that there's a huge gap between this the chin and the mouth. So try getting that correctly. Okay, so let's just start by adjusting, as I told. Comes pretty down below. So, and then pretty chubby cheeks. Right, now let's draw the eyes. So the eyes, so one eye is right there. So I'll show you the shape. It is sort of like it's sort of like that shape. So that's what we're going to be doing right here. So just see that, just like that. Okay, so again, so just get the eyes really perfect, and then you'll look a lot much like Kristoff. Even though he's an animated character, he is pretty difficult to draw. Alright, so again I'm just doing a slight curve for the top part and just flat right here, like I did right here. Right now here, so here, right where this nose ends, right where this part ends, you're gonna be making like a pretty bigger eye, yeah. So okay, and then small, so pretty big eye. Oops, made it too big. Right, so like that. So I'm just gonna be adjusting. I think that both my eyes are not in proportion, so that's the most important thing. All the things that you draw should be in proportion if it's a living being. Alright, so the eye line, and that's good. Now let's draw his eyeballs. So sort of connected to the bottom right there. So right here and here. Okay, so and then draw a circle in the middle. So I'm just drawing a circle in the middle and then just highlighting a part, sort of like that. And then again same thing here. I'm drawing a circle and then just highlighting a part. That's sort of like for the reflection. Alright, so now let me just make things a bit more clear. So that's how it is. Just a second. Now just shade the rest of the part a bit in. Well, I won't be doing that when I'm inking it. Okay. So alright, now for the eyelashes, really small ones, all over the top of the eye. We don't see that much in the bottom part. Okay, now I'm gonna be doing some changes, quick changes. So sort of like that. So I just changed my mouth, nothing big. Alright, now let's do the let's just give him some dots. That's how the people are in Arendelle, I guess you could tell. So not on the nose, but just right here and here. Okay, so I know it looks really weird right now, but that's okay because he doesn't yet have his eyebrows. But before that, let me just erase that. Let's figure out the, oops, my bad. Right, let's figure out the hairline. So approximating it somewhere there. Okay, and then like that, and then like that. So just approximating it, not yet. So and then another strand like that, and another strand, and another strand, and another strand. I know that's too much, but just cope up. Right, another strand like that, and just like that, and like that, and like that. Okay, so somewhat like that. Okay, so let me just do some quick changes. Yeah. Alright, now let's draw the hairs, then we'll go with the eyebrows. And before that, let's just do the eye bags. Not too much again. When I'm inking it, I'll be doing that part with a thinner pen. Alright, now for this part. So just pay really close attention. One, a bigger line, shorter line, and goes up and comes down and join that. So just try to get the pattern right. I'm just sort of randomly placing it, but we get it right. Alright, so I now just at the rest right here, 2 lines like that. So you can see Kristoff is sort of slowly becoming like Kristoff. Okay, so the hair is what makes him sort of like Kristoff, if you ask me that question. Okay. As I already told, this is my second Frozen tutorial, so 3 more are yet to come, so stay tuned to see that. Alright, so like that, and now right here, 1 line going like this, in, so that just goes in, and just 2 lines like that, so there we go. So let's just draw the ear right now. So the ear, there's nothing much to it, just like that, and then just draw another strand of hair and another strand of hair, and just sort of start by giving some detailing. Alright, now let's go on to the eyebrows. The eyebrows are really important, okay, because it does look really weird right now. Alright, so right here, it's pretty high up. Okay, and most importantly, thick eyebrows. He has really thick eyebrows. Just a second. Right there and right there. So as you can see, I'm just giving him really thick eyebrows. Okay, and then just give him some hair like projections right there. Okay, and let me just complete that. So some there. Right, so let me just erase some lines to make it look more better. So there you go, that's my Kristoff. That's Kristoff's head. Okay, so right there. There you go, that's Kristoff. Now let's draw his, we're going to be drawing his neck and other parts, but before that, let's give him some more detailing the hair. So I'm not going to be giving any instructions for this one, just going to be doing it really fast. And I also won't be looking at too much details at this part, because I'll be doing that part in the inking. So anyways, just see it and slowly just do it. So don't forget to highlight the strands of hair, so that will make it look even better, the character. So I'm just sort of like getting an idea where the lighting of the hair will be, like where the light reflects and where it will be dark. So I'm just doing that. So you can see in the middle it's dark. So that's what I'm doing. So at the end I'll be finalizing it, giving it the final touch. But I'll be doing that, of course, in the inking step. Okay, this is not compulsory. If you want, you could do, or you could just leave it just like that. I'm going to be doing it, but I think it looks cool. So, yep. I know this video is taking up pretty long, but let me just try my best to shorten that. So yeah, I'm just randomly placing some hair here and there, but I'm not, you have to be careful when it comes to near the ear. Really be careful right there. Alright, so I'm now just placing the neck. Yeah, and that's my Kristoff for you guys. So more dots, and there you go. Let me just do one change. Bring this even more curved here and there. Right, so that's Kristoff's head for me. Right. So just finally, just one line like that, one line coming out till that, and going there, and I'll be ending it right there. So I just did like that, and then just give it a really thick layer, and then double those lines. So if you understand what I'm trying to tell, they are in winter because of Elsa's powers. So he's wearing like a woolen jacket. So just give it some furry effects. Just random placing. Actually, I'm really bad at placing them randomly, to be honest. Okay, so one line like that. So that's sort of like how to say. Right, anyway, forget that. And there's some fluff inside. So sort of like, just a second, yeah. So some fluff. Just draw that, and inside draw one line, and here also one line. Right, so finally it just goes down, and then just increase that like that and like that. So there you go. So let me just do some more changes to make it look more like the character. Okay, so just really darkening the strands of hair that are there. Just zoom out and show you. So there you go, that's Kristoff, guys. And forgot one thing, just draw some lines there. And there you go, that's finished. So what else? So just gonna be doing some things to make it look more like the character. Oops, sorry. So I figured that my eyebrow is too much. It's too away from the eye, so just bringing that part a bit down. And there you go. And by the way, don't bring them too near the eyebrows. He doesn't have a unibrow. Right, so just some final touches, and do that. There you go. So my Kristoff's ready. Yeah, so final two lines like that. So as you can see, it's thick right here and thin right there. Okay. Right, so give some bulky layers. Just shade that part in. That's sort of like for the back. Right, for the neck, that's it. So as you can see, I'm giving him a pretty big round head. So do that and look more like the character. Yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more Frozen tutorials, Disney tutorials, and much more. Yeah, so if you want to see my latest video, click here. If you want to subscribe to my channel, click right here. And if you want to see my Frozen playlist, click right here. Okay, so that's it. Like, share, subscribe. Signing off for now.